Hello and welcome to my very first chemistry tutorial video. Today in chapter 1 I will be going over dimensional analysis, which is probably the most important thing you'll ever do in chemistry, only because you will do it all throughout your chemistry career, and pretty much every chemistry equation problem comes equipped with dimensional analysis, so it's very important that you understand how to do it. So without further ado, let's begin. Here is an example problem that after I'm done reading, I will help you solve step by step. After retiring from the NBA, All-Star center Dwight Howard went to Europe to build a full-sized NBA court for children to play on. However, in Europe, they use a metric system. He has already figured out that the width of a court in meters is 15.24. He knows that the length of an NBA court is 94 feet. What Dwight needs to figure out is what the length is in meters. So now that we know what the question is asking of us, we can begin to set up the problem. So because this is a one-step conversion factor, the only conversion factor that we really need to know is that 1 foot is equal to 0.3048 meters. And now that we know that, we can set up the problem. So the problem that we have now is 94 feet times 0.3048 meters in the numerator and 1 foot in the denominator. And this is because we're going from feet to meters, so feet needs to be in the denominator and meters needs to be in the numerator. Hang in there, you're almost done. So now that we have set up our equation, we can simply just now cancel out the common units, and in this case the common units are feet. So once we cancel out feet, all we're left with is 94 times 0.3048 meters over 1. And now this may look kind of confusing, but it's really not. All you have to do is simply just multiply straight across. So you just multiply 94 times 0.3048 meters, and that would give you 28.6515 meters. However, we're still not yet done, because we have to do this lovely little thing called rounding, and we can't just round however we want. We have to round to certain significant figures. In this case, we look for the least amount of significant figures. And for this equation, the least amount of significant figures is 2, which comes from 94. So that means when we round to 2 significant figures, our final answer is 28.65 meters. Congratulations, you are now an expert on dimensional analysis and conversion factors. Hopefully now you can take your newly found knowledge and go out to Europe and build your own NBA court too. Much like myself, Dwight Howard thanks you for your help. See you again in the next video.